Hey everyone! Google recently launched an AI chatbot called Bard that can have conversations and generate content. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bard and get the most out of it. Let's get started. To access Bard, simply type bard.google.com. This will open up the Bard chat window. In the chat window, you can simply type a question or statement for Bard, just like you would when talking to a person. For example, you can ask, "What is the population of Japan?" Or, "Can you explain how encryption works?" Bard will generate a conversational response to your prompts. You can keep asking follow-up questions to go more in-depth on a topic. In addition to asking questions, you can also request for Bard to generate content for you. For example, say, "Can you write me a one-paragraph summary about the French Revolution?" Or, "Generate a list of tips for photographing wildlife." Bard will then provide unique written content based on your prompts. You can copy and paste this to use. As you use Bard, make sure to click the thumbs up or thumbs down on responses to provide helpful feedback on its accuracy. This will help improve Bard's abilities over time. Keep in mind that Bard is still in beta testing with some limitations. It may occasionally generate incorrect information or nonsense, so always fact-check important information. And that covers the basics of using Google's new Bard chatbot. Ask questions, request written content, and provide feedback to improve results over time. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments.